Another day, another pack opening. Astral Radiance pack 34. Last opening I got a reverse hollow gape jaw bog trainer to add to the collection, so that was okay. It wasn't the best card, but I needed it for the collection. There's a code card. So hopefully we get some good hits. This is pack 4 of 8 from the Astral Radiance Elite Trainer box. So we got Energy, Hippodon, Dark Patch, Magneton, Stantler, Yanma, Hoot Hoot, Kricketot, Sudowoodo. Oh, look at that. Nice. A Mighty Yenna, full art rare. Oh, what a beautiful card. Look at the shine on that. Oh, that's nice. And what have we got behind this? And a Glaceon, non-hollow rare. Not bad. They're two good cards. Right, so we've got 2 to add to the collection. The Mighty Yenna, full art. Nice card. And the Glaceon, non-hollow rare. Let's tick it off the list. Mighty Yenna. Done. Glaceon. Done. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.